Good afternoon. This is Curtis, aka Chili from Facebook, and I'm here to do a video on today's post-market gains here on May 6, 2021. The first stock we have is Barrick's Gold, and it was up 5.93% today. Again, the metals, the gold, the silver, these are inflationary plays with the worries of all the printing going on and inflation getting out of control. People are buying gold, and it's only $23. If you look at gold over the last year, this gold stock, Barrick's Gold, it can actually get up to $29. So let's take a look back. So if you look about a year ago, you could have got this stock for about 28 bucks, and now it's back down to $23. So you could get a nice pop out of this Barrick Gold as the Fed continues to print. The next one we're talking about is Platinum Group Metals. I spoke about this one earlier this week. It's another inflationary play. Same thing, same reason why you want to be involved. Platinum, PLG stock. Also, they do pay a dividend. So they were as low as 6 months ago. You could have got it at $1.82. And if you look here, well, actually, I thought they did pay a dividend. But either way, 6 months ago, you could have got the stock for $1.82. And this is going to keep surging as the printing continues and the Fed does not higher interest rates. So right now the economy is overheating, and it's really causing the Fed and the U.S. Treasury with Yellen concerns that the economy will overheat. So they're thinking about raising interest rates, and that is not good for business. Either way, it'll come out. Either way, this is the problem with that. If they don't raise interest rates, the economy is still going to overheat. So they're kind of in a torn situation. Okay, here's another gold stock, AUY. It's up 4% today, almost 5%. And again, this is inflationary play, but also AUY, I know, does pay a dividend. Look at this, up 4%. Just imagine if you had $100 in one of these inflationary stocks, you would have made easily $5 per $100 you had invested. So look at 3 days ago, could have got the stock for $4, or maybe a week back, you could have got the stock for $4.62. So again, AUY is a good inflationary play, hedge against inflation, and they do pay a dividend of 2.1%, and its 52-week high is $7, and its 52-week low is $4. So it's right in that sweet spot. It could go either way. What else is going on today? FSM, another silvers, another metal stock. Activision. Okay, Activision is up 3%, and that's a video gaming stock. What else do we have here? Steel, Nucor. Oh gosh, Nucor is a hot stock. It is surging. Look at this, guys. Nucor is a steel stock, and I think I got in about $70. So it's right in that Biden situation where he's going to do the $1.9 trillion bill. So it's been taken off since. And so we just go back 1 month. Look at this, guys. On April 22nd, you could have got this stock for $76, and look how, boom, it explodes to the up. Bankers and other investors are getting in position as Biden gets that bill ready. Nucor is going to be about it. Nucor Corporation is a producer of steel and related products out of Charlotte, North Carolina. And look at this. It's actually going to break the 52-week high of $95. I mean, it's already broken it. So, I mean, again, this is a Biden play. It can go higher. Infrastructure, he's going to do Cleveland Cliffs. That's running about $19, $20, and he's going to do Nucor. All these stocks, infrastructure play. Let's even do a price target on this Nucor. Let's see what analysts have to say about Nucor on CNN Money. See the price forecast, and I bet it's somewhere around 120. But let's take a seat. Wow, Nucor, 10 analysts offering 12-month forecast. Look at this. They only voted to go as high as 105. Guys, be careful. When the analysts say it's going to go low, sometimes it's going to go high. And I'm under the belief with Biden's $1.9 trillion bill, it's going to break this to 105. So keep an eye on this one. If it pulls back to $90, get involved. But even be mindful that with the $1.9 trillion bill, I believe it's going to break over 105. So just keep an eye on this stock. If it pulls back to mid 80s or pulls back to $90, take a step into this one. Nucor is a great buy. Again, with Biden coming along with this $1.9 trillion bill, it's going to be a great stock. Let's take a look at the news. Can Nucor stock rise? Top of base materials. Is New Corporation a solid choice right now? Should you sell your steel corp? Now, that's an interesting question. And I would say, hey, if you've been involved in the last year, hey, take some profits. You'd probably get about $20 per share out of this. But I'm serious. I think you could get another $20 per share at a price target at least 110 or 115. So you guys just keep your eye on Nucor. If it pulls back, take a position in it. I believe you can make some serious money in Nucor and very similar stocks such as Steel, U.S. Steel, and Cleveland Cliffs. Okay, so what else we got here? We got Cisco Networks. Again, this is computer networks. I believe they are coming back online. They've been down for a while, but I would think Cisco Networks is finding its footing. With this new economy and a lot of new jobs, a lot of new servers going out there. Let's take a look. Let's see if Nucor, let's take a look and see if Cisco has some new business coming out. I would expect they do. The stock has been in the low 40s for a while. And I got involved about $50 before. But it's been down. So if you look at the whole last 5 years, you can see back in 2019, this stock held around $57 and it paid a dividend. But Cisco is one of the classic Silicon Valleys, and they always find a way to come back. So let's take a look what they're doing. And it looks like they've built their way back into the 50s. And look like they've broken out, head to the mid 50s. So keep your eye on Cisco, but don't be surprised if it drops back down below. But also, this is good to see. This is good to see. This stock, if you want to get involved, even if it hovers between 50 and 52, it will keep its value. It's a dividend play. It stayed in the ranges of $40 for the last year, but I believe they've kind of probably retooled, and I would not bet against Cisco. So I'm thinking if you want to buy Cisco, it'd be a great buy, plus they do a dividend. Let's see what else I got here. Let's see. Okay, great buy. Looks like JP Morgan Chase had a nice bump today, 2%. And look at PayPal. PayPal at 1.9% today. Again, PayPal. Let's take a look at PayPal. with PayPal the last 5 days. You could got this stock as low as 247, but not only was PayPal down, but they beat earnings this week. And I would not be surprised if PayPal skyrockets back to its high of $300. Here, the 52-week high, it shows that PayPal has hit $309. And I would not bet against this stock. This stock is ready to pop. They just beat earnings this week, and they do cryptocurrency. So I would not be surprised if they have reset and they retouch this $300 mark. That would be a $50 per share opportunity at 250 to 300, and I would keep my hands on PayPal. Good opportunity to buy. PayPal tops earnings and revenue estimates. PayPal CEO touts digital wallet after earnings beat. See it? PayPal is speaking about the digital currency, and they're going to want to be one of the catalysts helping Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as we head into this next part of 2021. I would not be surprised if they make a huge purchase of Bitcoin. Let's go deeper into the article. CNBC has. Okay, they beat earnings, $1.22 per share versus 101 expected. And we all know about PayPal. PayPal has a good brand, but I'm going to look for the cryptocurrency information. Yes, Bitcoin coming to 100 US banks this year. It's all about custody, guys. He who holds the cryptocurrency or gets to manage your cryptocurrency will make out like a bandit in this next part of 2021. And here's one of the articles. Would you look at this? One of the articles here is, would you do Square or PayPal? Because they both hold cryptocurrency. Let's look for Square. See how Square did today. Let's see. I don't see Square here. But just remember, guys, buy some more gold, Barrick's gold, buy some more platinum, buy some AUY. These are inflationary plays. As the economy heats back up and grocery bills go back up, I would say that, you know, gold and silver will go up as the inflation rises. And another stock that I want to encourage that either buy or put on your watch list is International Paper. International Paper is a great consumer products company. They create millions and millions of products, consumer products and industrial products. Look at this. Over the last week, the last 6 months, it's just taken off to the upside. So I would not be surprised if this stock hits $75 soon, which would be more than a 10% gain. And look at its 52-week high. Right now, it's 52-week high is $61. It's at its peak, but I'm telling you, I really believe International Paper will be a great buy. I think it can go up another $10 or $20. That's International Paper. And if you read in the news, 65% fair game, IP puts and calls activity. And yeah, they're discussing International Paper. Is it a buy? Is it a buy or sell? But I'm going to say International Paper is a buy. They've already mentioned that consumer products are going up, and the price of paper, lumber, the raw materials are surging. So International Paper, I would definitely buy, and if it pulls back, I would take a step in it as well. Wow, look at this. Peloton trying to make a move. Now, Peloton is a really good stock that was during the at home play because all the Americans were at home, but now everybody's back out. They've come back out and they've spoke good about how they're going to try to help consumers with this product. So it could be a buy here at under $100 in the $80 range. If they can figure it out, Peloton could surge back over $100. So let's take a look. This could be a huge buying opportunity. I would not count Peloton out. I would not count them out. So look at Peloton. It's at $83 right now. And after hours, you see it spiking. So look at that. It was 162, guys. Look at that. It's half the price back in December. And now it has basically in the last month fallen off a cliff. And that was due to the safety concerns of the Peloton, of it falling on a young toddler, and I think actually injuring one. So Peloton crashed, but I think what Peloton is looking at is ways to fix the defect and get back online, because there's a lot of Americans that love their Peloton. It's basically a treadmill with an iPad attached, and it has an internet connection which allows you to communicate with people around the world. So Peloton, this may be a buying opportunity, and I think if they can get everything squared away, I think they can roar back into the 120s. So guys, keep your eye on the Peloton. I'm trying to see Square, because Square is one of my favorite stocks. Okay, Square was down a little bit for the day, but they're still on the earnings call right now, so I wouldn't count Square out. Let's take a look and see if they're there. It is. Okay, Square in after hours is actually reporting a 2.6% gain, and that's because Square is doing a lot of innovative things. Look at this. Square stock is undervalued based on Cash App and crypto growth. So there it is, people. Square has a lot of ways to run. It is growing rapidly, and it's definitely a competitor to PayPal. Look at this. I think Square's 52. Look at Square's 52-week high is actually 283, and it's down to 223. So don't sleep on Square. It's run by one of the best CEOs out of San Francisco, Jack Dorsey. He is the original CEO of Twitter, the famous social networking Twitter. Jack Dorsey, he has done a phenomenal job with Twitter, and now he's doing a phenomenal job with Square. And like I said, if we just look a year ago, I mean, this stock has touched 283, 270, and the 52-week at 283. So 270, it could possibly surge back to 270. So we're looking at pocketing at least a $40 profit, even getting back in Square at this position. So Square is a great stock to be in. If any of you guys know stock like Square, you can't count them out. And if you just look at this chart, within 1 year, they surged from $73 to $223. What a phenomenal year. And after hours, they are trading at $230. So again, keep your eye on Square. I would not count them out. I would start a position in it. And just think about it, guys. Technology is changing rapidly, and they're from Silicon Valley, San Francisco. So guys, keep your eye on Square. If not, add to your position or jump in. And take a look. Cheesecake is down a bit today. No worries. AMD is up 0.07%. Not much, but it's up a little bit. All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please share and like. And don't forget, below I have the links. Get your free stocks from Webull or Robinhood. Thank you.